Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to start with our mental math warm-ups for today. So please make sure you have your dry erase sleeve plus your dry erase marker. And if you don't have those ready to go for today's warm-ups, go ahead and push pause on the video. Wait for you to collect those and join back in just a moment. Excellent. So now that you have your dry erase materials ready to go for our mental math warm-ups, we're going to start by solving these problems on your whiteboard sleeve with your dry erase pen and eraser. The first question for you today is, what is the answer to 5 plus 5? Go ahead and jot the answer down on your whiteboard. I'll bet you said the answer is 10. If you did, great job. You are thinking great thoughts about what a 5 plus a 5 would be and filling up a 10 frame. Here's our next question. What's 5 plus 6? Go ahead and jot that onto your whiteboard. Now, you may have jotted down the answer for 5 plus 6, but what I'd like you to write next is the answer to this question. How did you use the answer to 5 plus 5 to help you solve 5 plus 6? I'm going to let you write for just a moment. Excellent. I hope that you did a nice job of explaining your thinking. Please do not clear off your board. I'm going to ask you to write a few more items on there. What's the answer to 9 plus 1? Go ahead and jot your thinking down. We're going to move a little faster here with this next one. What's the answer to 9 plus 3? And like we did with the previous set of facts, I would like you to write down the answer to the question. How did I use what I know from 9 plus 1 to help me answer 9 plus 3? Go ahead and jot that answer onto your whiteboard. Okay, don't clear off your board just yet. Our next question is 7 plus 3. What is the answer to 7 plus 3? You're probably very quick with that one. That's a nice number combination. And what I'll have you do next is answer, what is 7 plus 8? Once you've put the answer on your whiteboard for those two facts, go ahead and jot a third answer for the grouping that answers the question, how do I know what 7 plus 8 is if I use the answer to what I know of 7 plus 3? Once you have those answers on your whiteboard, hang on to those questions. I'm going to ask you to submit a quick snip or image of your whiteboard in the next item. Great job today with mental math.